in judges from the professional world. We have the CEO of Serenity Forge coming in and the art director of Serenity Forge coming in. There are professionals from industry coming in from all the participating departments.
Coming into the room here, I'm really excited to see a lot of the creations that the students have. I mean, being a creative jam, everything is very much focused on new, innovative ideas that people haven't seen before.
The thing that sets us apart from other businesses is that we want to change the customer's perception of our industry. There's still a lot of distrust in auto service, and we want to prove to you that we're changing that standard. We're a family-owned business that's been serving our community for the past decade, and we'd love if you'd come give us a try.
And the lack of service. I just appreciate and proud of the team that I have here, how they've grown together, the relationships that they have together like a family. We reflect back quite a bit to make sure that we're doing what we need to be doing to wake up in the morning, come here, and be ethical.
Come see us at Eurotech, where we'll treat you like family.
I thought I was alone.
So did I.
I'm leaving. Celebrating strengths, talents, and passions rather than criticizing limitations can make a big difference. I work as a high school art teacher and a professional neurodiversity advocate. I have leveraged my autism as a strength rather than believing that it holds me back from being successful and accepted. Don't let your label define you. I didn't.